Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel QA Junction where I simplify automation for everyone. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can combine Playwright and GitHub Copilot to create AI powered automation scripts faster than ever before. This setup will help you to write your automation script just by describing them in simple English, and AI will do the coding for you. If you are a beginner in testing or just tired of writing the code, this video is for you. So let's dive in. We are using Copilot in Playwright. So the prerequisites here will be installing Visual Studio Code, installing Node.js, creating a Playwright project, and installing Playwright into the project. If you don't know how to install and set up the Playwright, please watch these videos which will guide you to how to install Visual Studio Code, Node.js, and Playwright. Let's move forward with the fun part, installing the extensions. Just navigate to the extensions in Visual Studio Code. You need to click on this icon and search for GitHub Copilot. As you can see, we have GitHub Copilot Chat. Install both of them. It will take few seconds for installation. As you can see, it is clearly describing us GitHub Copilot adapts to your unique needs, allowing to select the best model for your project. It acts as an AI coding assistant. I will also suggest you to install the extension called Playwright Test for VS Code. Yeah, this is the one. Install it. So we have successfully installed the required extensions. To check whether they are successfully installed, just click on this installed. You can see all the installed extensions on your Visual Studio Code. So we have successfully installed Copilot and Playwright Test for VS Code. Now you need to restart the Visual Studio Code. To use GitHub Copilot, you need to have account sign in your GitHub. You can directly click on this icon and see there is a sign in with GitHub to use GitHub Copilot. Click on it. It will navigate us to this page. Here you need to give your GitHub email and password. If you don't have any account in GitHub, you can directly create a new account by clicking on this link text create new account. You need to fill all these details and sign in. I already do have the account in GitHub, so I am using those credentials. So it's saying me to continue. Click on this authorize Visual Studio Code. Open. As you can see, our GitHub Copilot is ready. You can directly type anything in this chat and it will give you the set of code. You can even do it on Visual Studio Code. After successful installation and sign in your GitHub Copilot, you will see something like this. So in MacBook, it is suggesting me to use Command and I to ask GitHub Copilot to do something or start typing to dismiss. So in Windows, it may be a same message but with different keys on the keyboard. Press Command I. Ask Copilot chat is opening up. So what I will do here, I will just tell navigate to amazon.in and search for iPhone 16. Just hit and it will write us the code as you can see, and it is also asking me accept or discard. I am accepting it, and this is the code which is completely written by GitHub Copilot in just seconds. Let's try to execute it. So our spec file name is automationai.spec.js, which is under this directory. So in the terminal, I am going to write npx playwright test, which is the command to execute our spec file, and the directory name slash our spec file name automation ai.spec.js. Hit enter. So it is executing. It just opened amazon.in and it is so fast. It just executed it so fast. You can see it is showing me one pass. Our test execution was so fast. Let's try to pause the execution in the last line. Hit enter and you can see this is what the power of AI GitHub Copilot is. Verify if the first result contains iPhone 16. So it's suggesting more and more lines and more test cases. Let's say I want to write await page dot pause and you can see it is suggesting me you need to just press tab on your keyboard. That's it. Let's wait for 5 seconds. Save it and execute. You see iPhone 16. It has successfully searched for iPhone 16. Execute it. I am opening the Copilot. Command I, and this time I want to click on the first iPhone listed. So it will give me the code and this is what it gave. I am just accepting it. Save it, and I think it is way too fast in execution, so I am giving the wait here as well. I am removing it. Hit enter. So it clicked on the first iPhone which listed on this products list, and as we give wait, it is waiting. So this is the Copilot's AI power. It suggests the code and it even generates the code for us. I am creating a new spec file, testing ai.spec.js. So here what I will do is just I will type something like test the search functionality. As you can see, it is auto suggesting me, or you can open this Copilot chat and just type give me the test script for login functionality. And here it gave with all the assertions. So we just need to replace the URL which we are using and the username password, and everything will be automatically gets executed, and your test case will also get passed. It also have multiple validations. So this is the power of GitHub's Copilot's AI. It will instantly suggest the entire test script based on that line. And that's it. You have now combined Playwright and GitHub Copilot to create AI assisted test automation. It's super fast and a real productivity booster for QA engineers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials on Playwright automation tool. This is Sai Kiran from QA Junction. See you in the next video. Thank you.